Hi Indy, this is Unkshu. I wanted to share a little video of what it is like right now because today is such a quiet evening and it's very warm. It's such a big contrast with what it was yesterday. So right now is 11 o'clock, and as you see, the colors are so special. I'm trying to understand what's wrong. Nothing's wrong. I thought that my camera has zoomed it, but it probably didn't. Mm, my camera has some difficulties focusing. You can see that the lights are switched on over there and over here too. I kind of lost track of everything, so I'm not even sure what day it is, but I think that it's Monday. As you see, there are very few neighbors. One neighbor has been there, but he went back to town, and we have now only these neighbors who live here permanently. And you can hear nightingale. There are not too many nightingales yet singing, but I think that you can hear the mites. Sorry, I'm trying to not to stumble across something, and it's actually not that easy to walk around because here it's even more mosquitoes and there's little things that are even more bitey than mosquitoes. Okay, sorry, I can hardly see where I'm heading to. Well, these are the woods. I'm not gonna walk anywhere on the right or anywhere on the left. And it started drizzling. But like I said, due to these clouds that are like a veil over the ground, it's very warm. And I'm actually quite happy about that because yesterday I nearly got my limbs frostbitten. I'm kind of dreaming about having more energy for going on a longer walk in the white nights, but it wasn't that easy so far. So probably I can accomplish it tomorrow. I would have done it today, but you cannot really see any liquid gold today, so it's very light. I think I can go, I can walk a few meters in that direction. This is our road, you know it. I mean, that road is ours either, but we consider this one our main road. And these mosquitoes are super bitey. I'm dressed up quite profoundly, but they are biting through my trousers and they are sitting on my head. Okay, and I've been killing them in the shower because if they stay in the shower with you, uh, your shower time will be spoiled. I think that maybe my camera is it sees it like it's more light than it is in reality. I'm trying to, or maybe this is how it is, or maybe lighter. I have no idea how to adjust it. Okay, I'm gonna walk a few more meters to the pond because this is the pond where ducklings live, and the woman who lives on the other side of the pond, she feeds them. I mean, the woman from this house. As you see, some people here too, but in general, there are very few people, and this is great because on the weekend, oh, here's the pond. There used to be a lot of shrubs and bushes around this pond, but recently they have cut off everything. Okay, can you hear the cuckoo? Да, это не просто. Sorry, I just said that it's not easy. Well, I didn't plan to walk so far. Okay, I'm just gonna walk to the main road and wait. Sorry about that. I'm trying to walk faster in order not to take too much of your time, but just look at this light. And I rarely film this road because I try to film and to show you other roads as well if I ever do that. But you know, in such light everything looks better. Any twilight is my favorite time of day. I already confessed it. Oh, I think this house is already sold out. It's sold to other people. It used to belong to my former classmate. Блин. Somebody has bitten me on the palm. I know that in this house there lives a drum player, or at least he used to live here. I think that he still lives here and he practices. He actually plays very well. He's a professional. Вот. So here I am on the main road. So if you walk over there, you will reach one of my favorite roads. And if you walk over there, you will reach the river in a couple minutes. And if you walk over there, you will reach the railway station and the highway. So I'm just gonna walk back. Well, I hope you like this improvised excursion because I didn't plan it. Wait. Oh, Jesus. Say bye to me. Okay. I'm gonna walk back. I hope you're having a quiet evening and everything's okay so far.